Thinking back to the beginning, what it felt like to actually start the Chic Sophistic brand. Love what it felt like to walk down that path, to start dreaming up new ideas and to really create something special. It brought me back to what it felt like at the beginning, those first few days, right as the summer was tying up and the school year was beginning. Fresh, new beginnings, new goals, new direction, new life. We are all chasing a dream, driven to achieve what we have defined as success. It means something different to us all, but we're all after it, and we won't stop until we get there. What we can't forget is what will help us get there. Taking care of ourselves, continuing to keep ourselves inspired, and really working to customize our lives. Really taking the time to do things right. Really focusing on ourselves. I always start by getting into my happy place. I surround myself with things that put a smile on my face, things that keep me on track, things that remind me about life, about my purpose in life, and that which keeps me going, that which inspires me to get up in the morning, that which reminds me that time is precious and that each moment is to be cherished. One of the ways to really ensure that you are working towards your goals is to write them down and really visualize what you want your reality to look like, and then just go for it.
I want to be Chic Sophistic. I want to have freedom and choice in my life. Time to sleep, dream, and live.